Wow, look at all that they've got done since the last time we were here. Alright, we're gonna go up there and see what it looks like from up there now that we see what it looks like from down here.
Platform.
Alright, here we are. Let's check it out. There's the elevator we just came up. Look at this now. They did a really good job with this. There's the escalator over there. They've done quite a bit since we've been here last time.
Hey, who's that?
Oh, who are you? Oh, hi. Hi. Here's the escalator that's still opened up. We can take a look at it. I don't know how many more times we're going to see the escalators opened up like this. That's why I said I don't think we're going to be seeing much more. Probably one last time showing the progress of the finished product is probably all we're going to have. And then anytime we come here in the future, will be mostly train action because this is very close to being finished. So we're going to go down here now and check out down here. Alright, here's another one of the staircases that's done. On that side is where we were just at, looking at it from down there. That's where we were, was way over there. Oh, they did such an amazing job. right, I'm going to throw some clips of the train action in for you.